They come to life, right before my eyes.
I got into 3D printing as a hobby.
I own probably about 15 different printers. I really enjoy it because I get to create different models.
I discovered that I can make things.
I will be able to really create it and bring it to life.
It also allows you to be very creative and try new things that you may have never tried before.
I mostly try to make things for my hobbies that help in everyday life.
I love most about 3D printing is that you can make just about anything
and change it to a real-life product.
A 3D printed model can be an artwork, and it can also be a functional prop for daily life.
You are only limited by your imagination.
I was in a very black hole, and I started 3D printing, and it changed my life.
A maker is to bring dreams to life.
Being a maker means you're never afraid to try something new, and most importantly, sharing what you learn with others.
Thank you for helping me become a maker.
I'm part of something bigger.
I am a maker.
I am a maker.
I'm a maker.
I am a maker.
I am a maker.
I am a maker.
I'm a maker.
I'm a maker.
I am a maker.
I'm a maker.
A maker.
I'm a maker.
I am a maker.
I am a maker.